Oh, yeah, we are back again. Basketball, you know what to do. It's time to lace them up. It's time to get those feet squeaking on that hardwood or on that blacktop. We are getting after it today, and we're going in through the weekend. You know we don't stop. We're the best of the best, in shape, most hardworking, grind it out, do it when no one else wants to do it type basketball players. And I am the daily trainer. You know that. And you know this. It's time to go to work. Here we go with those ball circles. We're going to wrap it around those legs. We're going to go low, 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 low. And then we're going to go mid. And then we're going to wrap it around your head. High, 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 high. Okay? I need 3 sets of those. And then we're going to go ball taps real quick, just to get you loose and not have those shoulders tight. Ready to go. Okay? We're going to tap it high. We're going to tap it mid. And then we're going to tap it low. And then we're going to go through our legs. So we're going to ball wrap through our legs forward. We're going to go 3 sets of that for 30 seconds each. And then we are going to reverse it 30 seconds each. Okay, so we're going to do that. And we are going to be nice and warmed up after that. And then we're going to get right into dribbling. Oh, yeah. Let's do it. Okay. So with dribbling, we're on the move all day today, okay? We're going through every sequence of dribbling that we have done in Basketball U, but it all is on the move. So no stationary dribble, we're going right into the move. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to do a pound and a crossover, pound and a crossover, pound and a crossover, pound and a crossover, okay? We can go to half court or you can do it for 30 seconds on the move, okay? And then if you have a short space, you can turn around and go the other way. Then after, we're going to go through the legs, okay? So you're going to put it through the legs, pound, through the legs, go back through the legs, pound, through the legs, back through the legs, okay? So the pound is going to initiate you ready to transition back into the dribble again. Then we're going to have behind the back, okay? So you're going to pound, go behind the back, pound, go behind the back, pound, go behind the back. Then once you do that, we're going to get into the 2 dribble moves where you're going to pound and double cross, pound and double cross, pound and double cross. We're going to do pound, double cross, and then we're going to go through. Right after that, then we are going to go pound through the legs, cross, pound through the legs, cross. And then we are going to go pound through the legs behind the back, pound through the legs behind the back. Okay, so that is all of the dribbling that we're going to do, and those will be 30 seconds each for today. So we are going to work that thoroughly. Make sure we are pounding that basketball. We're keeping it waist high so that we can work on the control aspect of it, and then keeping it high enough to counter. Remember, we want to be able to counter when we are dribbling the basketball. All right, so that is how we're jumping right into this beautiful workout today. Yesterday, I loved what we did with our form shooting, so I want to get into a quick form shooting warm-up, okay? Remember, just make 10 on each side, right and left hand, okay? We're going to go to the block, to the middle, and then to the other block, okay? And then after that, we're going to roll that ball in front of us, and we're going to work on stepping into it and catching, okay? Remember, we got different levels, okay? So we want to make 5 at each level. Then after we do that, we are going to throw the ball in front of us at the free throw line, and we're going to work on our inside plant, okay, because that is very important. So then we're going to go 10 from each side on our inside plant, all right? So remember that as we're working on our footwork to become better shooters, all right? And then as we proceed, to give you what you need, we are definitely going right into star drill shooting. Yes, we're going to go mid-range again. We have to perfect our form. How are we going to be consistent shooters if we can't make shots consistently? Let's think about that, okay? It doesn't start by you shooting the 3. The reason why I have you go different levels is so that you can understand your form. I'm saying it again after I've said it over the last 10 to 15 workouts, because someone new baby watching, someone might just pick up from this workout here. And so what we're going to do is make sure they know what to do, even though you know what to do. Okay? They can't be a part of the Basketball U family and not know what to do. You know, they might not have been here since workout number 1. So we got to make sure they know what to do. All right? And then we're going to go start shooting 3-point drill. Okay? And again, here is something where you want to pay attention to. How differently am I shooting the ball now that I'm so much further away from the basket? Okay? That is the key to having success and understanding how to become a little bit more of a distance shooter, right? Everybody says use your legs, push the ball more. Find out what you're doing and what makes you comfortable first before you start listening to everyone else telling you what is right and what is wrong, because you may be strong in one point, you may be weak in the other point. So figure out what point of the shooting rhythm you're weak at. Is it in your legs? Is it in your upper body? We don't know. Okay, so keep that in mind when shooting. Okay, remember the star drill for the mid-range and the 3-point. We're gonna go 5 sets today. Not all makes, so we're not going perfect star, but we're just going to go 5 sets, going through it. Make sure we're running hard. This will be our conditioning for today. We're not going to force the issue of running today. We're going towards the end of the weekend, so a lot of times people are playing games, scrimmages, or even in tournaments. So we want to make sure if you are working out, you still have a little bit of legs left for the weekend games. As I was watching a practice yesterday, after I went through our workout, I really think that it is important that we get floaters in, because so many people don't know the in-between game. And when you get ready to drive hard and not really know, should you finish the layup, should you jump and pass, should you jump stop and reverse pivot, all these different things go through your mind. But if you understand how to break down, get into a flow of your floater, then you will be able to make those decisions a little bit better, because now that defender will have to respect you and not come flying out at you full speed trying to stop you from getting a layup. So it keeps the defense respectable in a way to where coaches may not like the shot, but at the same time, it is a shot that is liked because it keeps the defense honest. Now, once you have this floater down, it's going to give you the opportunity to make the bounce pass on the block, or even the high pass to your post player. As the defender starts to raise up, his hands will more than likely be down. So you want to make sure that you perfect your touch, not only on this floater, but when you start learning how to pass the ball better. Okay, so we definitely want you to work on the floater. You're going to make 10 on each side, and then you're also going to make 10 down the middle. So make sure we are locked in. We're using the glass, and then we're also focusing on where we're hitting it on the glass when we're doing it, and we're doing it at a good speed so that we can work on breaking down without traveling and also breaking down without charging. All right, so that's the floater. All right, we're working on that, and then we're going to finish up with free throw line. All right, so we're going to be right at the free throw line. We are going to make 10 out of 10 today. Can you make 10 out of 10? Let's do it in 10 tries. So if you can't make 10 out of 10 in 10 tries, then I guess we have some work to do. All right, so that is what we're doing today for our workout. Again, I can't thank you enough, Basketball U family. You guys are great for coming in every day and checking the workouts or doing the workouts or being a part of the workouts. Just remember that we still want to be in the best shape. So when you're doing these workouts, you want to go as hard as possible. Okay, that's going to get you in shape, instead of me saying, hey, you need to run a lap, you need to run a liner, okay, or you have to do these agility drills. This is what's going to get you in shape, is the actual workout itself. So please keep that in mind, and remember, someone's always working. Are you?